What is going on, everybody? This is Cabale with CabaleMedia.com, and in today's video, we are going over list and subscriber management. Stay tuned. Today is April 29th, Monday, but this will be releasing Friday, which I believe is the 3rd of May, 2 days away from Cinco de Mayo. There are so many key aspects when it comes to managing your list and subscribers. Last week, we spoke about how to tag and segment them. Today, there are another bunch of things that we're going to discuss that will hopefully, and I know, not hopefully, will help you manage your list, keep it healthy, and ensure that you always have the best quality contacts to send to all the time. Today we'll take you through Mailchimp, and then we'll discuss a little bit about how we upload a list. To start things off very basic, for those who are new to uploading lists, there are different ways you can do it. So let's just go over to the screen right now. We'll go to All Contacts, Manage Contacts, Add a Subscriber, or Import Contact. Now, I apologize if I'm drinking a lot during the filming of this. Today is the first hot day in New York, and I have no AC. That's that. Import contacts is an easy way to import. There are 3 ways. It's import from another service, which I don't ever use. I can't really give you any real advice on that. Upload a file, which is just a CSV file or an Excel file, or you can copy and paste them directly into Mailchimp. I'm going to show you 2 ways. The first way I'm going to show you is to upload the file via CSV file. You could either drop it over here, or you can do browse. Find your Excel sheet. Invalid type. One thing you can do is upload them with an actual Excel file, the XLSX. Always upload it in the CSV file or it's going to be a problem. So let me convert that right now. Okay, so here's the list. Drop it on my desktop and then save it as a CSV file. Okay. So there's multiple sheets here. We'll take one sheet. We'll copy the whole sheet. Copy it. New file. Paste it into there. And then export it onto the desktop. Let's say contact. CSV and save to the desktop. That's good. Now that we have it, we'll replace it. Browse, desktop, and then upload here. Continue to organize. Subscribed. Cabale Media is the audience. And there's different statuses here, but they're all subscribed. We'll go over that in another video. Update in existing contacts. Continue to tag. Search for or create tags. We don't have any tags right now, but let's say you wanted to add one. Let's just say new contacts. You could add that in. Create new contacts. Continue to match. And then it will give you the properties as to what you want to import. We don't need a title. We don't need an address. We don't need a phone number. We don't need web. Okay, we had a little bit of a glitch. Now we're back. So here's the email address. Click here. And then we'll finalize the import. Let it match columns, 3,989. File upload, update, existing contacts, tags, contacts, new, complete import. So that was pretty simple. You could either leave it going or you could sit here and watch it. So whatever you want to do, it's your choice. You could do other things, and I promise nothing was going to happen to your email contacts. Another way to import your contacts is very easy. So we'll go back to here Go to contacts, all contacts. As the contacts are there, we could add more contacts. See, this says we're currently importing your list. Add a subscriber. Let's say for argument's sake, we can use a personal email address. Last name, everything fills out fine here. Tags, birthday. This person gave me permission. Keep in mind also that marketing permissions need to be clicked. I understand that people buy lists. Although we're not talking about that today, when you're emailing, make sure that these emails are either organic and not either organic, are organic and they wanted to be there. So this person gave me permission. If this person's already in my audience, please update. Add contact. And then if I'm forgetting something, need an address. Okay. And we'll add an address as well. Okay. Says it was successfully updated. We're good to go here. Perfect. So that's how you add contacts. 2 easy ways. It's really simple. The one thing I suggest is to make sure that you have your Excel sheet in order. This particular Excel sheet did not have any first name, last name. That's something that's very important to your subscriber list if you want to personalize. So just be aware that when you're creating forms that you have the field of first name, last name, and email address, or whatever particular fields you need in order to email. Sign-up forms. We went over importing contacts. Last video, we talked about segmenting and tagging. Today, we're going to talk about sign-up forms as well. How do we create a sign-up form? We're going to go right here to the side again. Hit sign-up forms. There are different ways you can build a sign-up form, but since we're using the free account, I'm going to show you the free way. Let's go to edit pop-up form. This is the one that I have currently made. It's pretty easy. They pretty much give you a setup. Mine is already here. It's already made. Doesn't really have to worry about it. But note also in the free version that this Mailchimp logo can't be taken out. Over here, you type in what you want. I have all this written. I'm just going to copy this. I don't have to do it over again. You type in here, sign up. Up to receive free. Sign up to receive all things email marketing. You could add fields here. First name. Can you? Last name. And then, you can do phone number. Save that there, and then you'll see how your email form looks. Change the button. It could be to click me. So it can really be anything. Then you could go here and change the picture, replace, find a picture that fits, insert it into there, or you can upload a new one. And there you go. I'm not going to save and publish that. Oh, you could also, if you go here, you'll see what the mobile banner looks like. And then that's going to be there. That's the booking notice. And then you can add an SMS sign up. We'll just click out of that. You're about to leave without any unsaved changes. That's fine. Discard changes. Leave P. Let's talk about double opt-in. Double opt-in is the process that ensures that the person signing up to receive these emails actually wants to be there. That is giving you, or double opt-in is giving you double permission to justify the fact that they actually want to receive what you're sending. Do you have to do double opt-in? No. Is it good to have? Yes. Let's talk about double opt-in and how we do it here on Mailchimp. To do the double opt-in process, we're going to click right here on Audience. We're going to do manage audience, settings, click on audience name and campaign defaults, scroll down here, enable double opt-in, send contacts an opt-in confirmation email when they subscribe to your audience. They'll get that, and it'll basically say in the email, are you sure you want to receive these emails, etc., etc., etc. They'll sign up for that, or they'll click the link to that, and then you'll be ready to go. So why setting up a double opt-in process improves quality and deliverability is because you know for sure that they want to be on your list. I'm not going to sit here and say that I haven't worked with people who do cold lists, and it's fine. It's part of marketing and it's part of the game. But when you're trying to grow organically, I would not buy lists because it's just not best practices. I understand for certain reasons you may want to, but if you want your business to thrive and you really want your business to do well, try to do things through paid media and organically. And I 100% assure you that your list will stay healthy and you'll get a better return of investment. List hygiene practices. Let's show you how to remove bounces and unsubscribes and people who just don't want to be there anymore. So basically, bounces and unsubscribes. Again, we go into audience. And then we click onto audience dashboard. See, they're all subscribed here, so there's nothing bound. So it's going to be difficult for me to show you that particular scenario. But if we go to audience dashboard and then we see the last growth here, notifications, view your audience, dismiss. If we click here, we can go into the contacts, manage contacts. You can view contacts, view archive contacts, unsubscribe addresses, import history. So here's another one we can do. Import history. Just say it was an accident and you didn't mean to upload those lists. We can undo that. 3,111 emails had syntax errors. 23 emails were either invalid or role-based. Could not be imported. If you want to know what role-based is, click here. We can just undo. Undo to confirm. Has to be case sensitive. And boom, they're all gone. Okay, in another video, we can go over how to do exactly that, meaning taking out unsubscribes. Right now, I don't have any unsubscribes, so there would be no reason to show you, but that's another way you could take out subscribers. You just want to be very adamant about checking who was still interested. I know I talk about it a lot, the 30, 60, 90-day rule. Every 30 days, see who isn't engaged, and either one, try to re-engage them, or take them out of your list. And I would do that every 30, 60, and 90 days. That right there is just to keep your list healthy and to ensure that you're always sending to the right people. The best way to engage with new subscribers, or at least in my opinion, is a welcome series. We're going to go into full automations in another video, but welcome series are really great. Freemiums, as we discussed, are really great. Just nurturing them, another word for welcome series or another word for automation, to ensure that they're always getting the information they need and want. So that comes from birthday emails to sales emails to new products, things that's going to help them, things that are going to benefit them and become a better person. Analyzing list performance. Now, when it comes to email marketing, there is a general benchmark on what are good click-through rates, open rates, unsubscribe rates, and bounce rates. We won't go into too much detail here, but I can give you just some general benchmarks, but I could also expand on them, and we'll expand on them in another video. When it comes to open rates, anything between 12 and 25% is pretty good. Click-through rates, anything between 2 and 5% is pretty decent. You want to keep unsubscribe 0.5 and below, as well as bounce. Percent, that is. 1% is acceptable, but I would try to keep it 0.5 and below. Also keep in mind that it is very industry specific. If you look around, you can find some general benchmarks for overall email marketing and then your industry itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. If you want to see a particular video, let me know. You could always visit my TikTok or my Instagram to get shorter videos and the key points of this video, you can email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com, CABALE media, MEDIA.com. I'll put it here and my email address before that, and I'll put the subscribe button here or here. And yeah, if you like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. And thank you for everything you do. Again, this is Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.